Hey, what's up, everybody? Wanted to welcome you guys back to PLU5FIVE channel, and today we're doing an unboxing on this bad boy. It's a Microtech that I had won. It's a knife from Ray over at the X-Ring channel. Actually, on his buddy's channel, Is Your Six Covered? I believe he's also doing a giveaway. But I actually was on his channel. Ray showed up. I ended up winning. I got lucky. And I'm super thankful. And just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I've never owned a Microtech, so there's a bunch of videos on people that check them out, check them against different, in comparison. This is just an unboxing video. But if you really want to see torture tests on these, you got to go check out Ray, his channel, the X-Ring channel on YouTube, or Rick at Is Your Six Covered, also on YouTube. And they both do torture tests of these bad boys, not just this model, but all kinds of different Microtech. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's go over the box. It says Microtech right there. Got this red chrome logo of theirs. Says it's a Socom Elite Standard Edition, I think. Unless that's Stonewash Edition, I don't know. But it says it's a Stonewash Standard. I think that's the blade on it. I have already pulled it out to check it out real quick, so I'm not going to bullshit you. And there's the part number. It says 25 years of innovation, Microtech 2019. On this side, it has 100% American made, which I'm really proud to own. None of this Chinesium clone shit, not in my house. So it's got their logo on this side, and then on this side it says welcome to the Microtech family, and it has a good sized paragraph about what they're about. Let's open this up. There was a glue tab that I already had released, and first thing we got here is a register your product card, which is really cool. And let's just put that right there. The next thing we got in here is a product manual and knife care, different ways of operating different types of folders that they make. And it also has, I read on here, warranty information. But what's really cool is this bad boy has a limited lifetime warranty. So I thought that was cool. And it also offers sharpening service, which is sweet. So anyways, we got that going on. Just put that there, and there is the knife, the Socom Elite. And I'm in California, guys, so I just wanted to mention that I can't have I can't wear an out the front knife like a switchblade. So this thing's really nice, really beefy. It says Microtech right there on the belt clip. It's got a tungsten ball bearing glass breaker, which is real sweet. It also has grip at the bottom of both sides right here. Also here and on the back side, which is really sweet. So I guess you can get more purchase if you have to use this. And let's open this blade up. So as you guys can see here, it says Microtech right on the blade. Made it 05, yeah, that's right, +5. 2020, Socom Elite, has a serial number right here. Obviously, you guys might see some oil on it. It's been oiled. They do that with most metal products when they try to ship them. You don't want any type of stuff building up on it, but it's a sharp knife. Thing looks sweet. I'm not even gonna lie. This thing is awesome. I actually prefer a bigger folder. I'm not a little guy, and can't wait to wear this and use this on a daily basis. So anyways, it's got a Looks like a slide lock in here. If you guys want to see a torture test on this or any other Microtech knives, like I said, go check out Ray at the X-Ring channel on YouTube, or his buddy Rick at Is Your Six Covered on YouTube also. If you find them on Instagram, give them a follow. But super appreciative. I mean, to win a knife like this, and this is no cheap knife, just to let you guys know. This knife runs roughly about 300 bucks, give or take. They make them all the way up to the Marathon, which is it's pretty much a super handmade, super detailed version of it, and those go over $1,000. But for a daily use knife, this is sweet. It's more than I would normally do. So I guess I'm going to become a Microtech family member and start purchasing other ones. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. Just did a quick unboxing so you can check out what I won here. And I want to say thank you again to Ray of X-Ring channel. Thank you to Rick of Is Your Six Covered. And for both those guys giving me the opportunity to win this. But Ray, again, thank you so much. I will wear it with pride and use it wisely. And anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.